Pathways of glycolysis, Eastern medicine approaches energy production and metabolism from a more holistic perspective. There isn't a direct equivalent of glycolysis as a standalone concept in traditional Eastern medical systems like traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, or Ayurveda. However, they address the physiological processes that glycolysis facilitates, albeit through different theoretical frameworks. Here's how Eastern medicine systems might view the processes related to glycolysis. Traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, and energy pathways. TCM doesn't define energy in terms of ATP or specific biochemical reactions. Instead, it uses concepts like qi. This is the fundamental vital energy that flows throughout the body via meridians, channels. Qi is responsible for all physiological functions, including digestion, circulation, and tissue nourishment. The process of converting food into usable energy would be seen as a function of qi. Spleen and stomach. In TCM, the spleen, pi, and stomach, wei, are considered the primary organs responsible for digestion and transformation of food into gu qi, food qi. This gu qi is then further refined and distributed to nourish the entire body. The breakdown of glucose and its conversion into immediate energy would fall under the spleen's function of transformation and transportation. Blood, Zhu. While not the same as anatomical blood in TCM is nourished by gu qi and carries vital substances throughout the body. Adequate energy production, including what glycolysis provides, is essential for healthy blood formation and circulation. Kidney, Shen. The kidneys in TCM are seen as the root of life and store, Jing, essence, which is the most fundamental and inherited form of energy. They also play a role in regulating water metabolism and providing foundational energy for various bodily functions. Yin and Yang. All physiological processes, including energy production, are understood in terms of the balance between yin, cooling, nourishing, passive, and yang, warming, active, functional, energies. A healthy balance allows for efficient energy metabolism. Dampness and phlegm. Imbalances in the spleen's function can lead to the accumulation of dampness, or phlegm, which can impede the smooth flow of qi and interfere with metabolism, leading to symptoms like fatigue or weight gain. This might indirectly relate to inefficient glucose utilization. Ayurveda and metabolic processes, Agni. Ayurveda, the traditional Indian system of medicine, also has a holistic view of metabolism, primarily centered around the concept of Agni, or digestive fire. Agni is the cornerstone of metabolism in Ayurveda. It's not just the digestive fire in the stomach but also encompasses various subtle fires at the cellular and tissue levels. These Agnis are responsible for breaking down food, assimilating nutrients, and transforming them into bodily tissues, dhatus, and energy. Jatharani. This is the main digestive fire in the gastrointestinal tract, responsible for the initial breakdown of food. Bhutani. These are elemental fires that break down food according to the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, ether. Datvani. Each of the 7 body tissues, dhatus, has its own Agni, which governs tissue-specific metabolism and ensures proper nourishment, growth, and repair. The cellular processes like glycolysis would be encompassed within the functioning of Datvani. Doshas, Vata, Pitta, Kapha. The 3 biological energies, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, influence Agni and metabolic processes. Pitta is strongly associated with Agni and all transformative processes, including digestion and energy production. Kapha is related to structure, lubrication, and storage. An imbalance in Kapha can lead to sluggish metabolism and accumulation of toxins, Ama. Vata governs movement and transport, influencing the flow of nutrients and waste products. Ama. When Agni is weak or imbalanced, undigested food and metabolic waste products can accumulate, forming Ama. Ama is seen as a root cause of many diseases and can block channels, srotas, leading to impaired energy production and various metabolic disorders. Connection and differences. While Eastern medicine doesn't describe the exact biochemical steps of glycolysis, it clearly recognizes the importance of efficient food breakdown and energy generation for overall health. Holistic versus reductionist. Western medicine focuses on the molecular mechanisms, like glycolysis. Eastern medicine takes a more holistic view, emphasizing the interconnectedness of organs, energies, and lifestyle factors in maintaining metabolic balance. Therapeutic approaches. In Eastern medicine, addressing issues related to energy production and metabolism would involve dietary therapy, tailored diets based on individual constitution and imbalances to support acne or spleen, stomach function. Herbal medicine. Specific herbs are used to strengthen digestive fire, remove toxins, armor, or regulate qi and blood. Lifestyle modifications, including exercise, like Tai Chi or Qigong, and daily routines, dinacharya, to promote energy flow and balance. Acupuncture, moxibustion, to stimulate specific meridian points and regulate qi flow, indirectly impacting metabolic processes. In essence, Eastern medicine systems offer a complementary perspective to modern scientific understanding. They may not use the term glycolysis, but their ancient wisdom provides a rich framework for understanding and influencing the body's fundamental energy production and metabolic health.